to how to download and install the serial screen recorder translator, actually the serial screen translator, which is best for, which can be used for many apps like Rednote. So let's do that. So from Play Store, tap on search and type in the name. Okay, since nope, this is not what I need. Sorry about that. So let's write the serial translator. Okay, this is serial screen translator. This is it. Click on it. So let's install it. So let's see what's about. It's going to help you to clear language barrier. Okay, since your network is not that good tonight, so you can see you use the app to translate stuff. Let's see. Real-time translation of game content or full screen translation. So you can do full screen translation with it. So nice pending. Just don't start downloading and then it will install. It's as simple as that. That is how to download and install the serial screen translator. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.